Hi there, I'm N7 and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Dyson V11 torque drive cordless vacuum or one-handed vacuum. This is the highest end model they have in the one-handed cordless vacuums, and this version comes with 6 different attachments and 3 modes of use: auto mode, eco mode, and boost mode. The difference between the Dyson V11 Animal and the torque drive is pretty much the LCD screen, which shows which mode you are using and maintenance details, such as how to clean or get rid of an obstruction in the pipes. It will also show you the battery life, which adapts to the mode that you are using and the amount of time you have left to use the vacuum. The auto mode is pretty much medium mode that adapts between boost mode using the dynamic load sensor inside the default brush head accessory. Therefore, it won't auto switch with the other accessories, which is kind of sad but makes sense. The difference between the Dyson V11 Animal and this one are $100 first as a price difference, and one extra accessory, that being the soft brush head and the LCD display itself. As I am opening this box, I will tell you my first impressions with the vacuum and the actual product packaging, which was organized and efficient. Everything is well protected and you do get a 2-year warranty for this device, but you have to register it. I will be using the product for a few months and then I will make a review video where I will share with you my experience with the battery life and hopefully I will get a chance to try out their customer service. This is my second Dyson vacuum, but it is my first cordless Dyson vacuum. For the holidays of 2019, we saw it on sale for $200 off the original price, so we bought it and we are liking it so far. Our house is pretty big and at first we were skeptical that the battery life on this device was not going to be sufficient to clean the whole house, but it has been. The battery is supposed to last up to 60 minutes. I have been able to use it switching from carpet to walls to floor, couches for about 45 minutes. The auto switching mode has been efficient enough to allow the battery to last the necessary amount of time, and it maintains a good amount of suction. I have been impressed by the default suction head, which is the one that has a dynamic load center, which allows for the auto mode switching to happen. It makes switching between carpet and hard floor seamlessly. My one complaint with our prior Dyson vacuum was that the head attachments and accessories had compatibility issues and you needed an extra adapter in order for some of the accessories to work, but that is not the issue with this model. I also dislike how easily the old main suction accessory would lose suction power because the air input hole was close to the ground and would end up clogged with hair. Since we have a Pomeranian and a Chihuahua, this version though does not have that issue. I will be using the vacuum without the wall mount at first to see how it feels, and then we'll be installing it once I decide where I want it to be showcased with ease of access and for people to easily see it, because let's be honest, it's a pretty cool product. I love the suction sound it makes when you turn it on and then it switches off. And emptying the canister is super easy. For my first impressions, I will say that this is a good product, and I've been using it for about 1 month and it has performed its job efficiently and good, even though the price, I think it's a little too high. At the price that we bought it, I really don't see myself regretting it so far, but original price, it is a hard ask, honestly. The charging time is long, but I believe that it is done in that manner in order to stop the battery from deteriorating quickly. If you want to see my review when it comes out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe with the bell activated so you get notified when my review comes out. This vacuum honestly has made vacuuming the house fun and easy again, and I'm just hoping that it maintains performance and that the build quality is not just eye candy, but it's actually lasting and doesn't break, and that if it does break, that customer service will end up being good. Anyway, I'm N7 and I'll see you all next time.